Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sublimate frosted glass tumblers using a tumbler heat press and my free templates. The equipment and supplies needed for this project are a printer with sublimation ink. I am using an Epson EcoTank printer with Hippo sublimation ink, sublimation paper, a tumbler heat press. I am using the PYD Life 2-in-1 tumbler heat press. With this press, you may customize glass or stainless steel tumblers from 17 to 30 ounces and ceramic mugs from 11 to 15 ounces. Heat tape. I am using PYD Life heat tape. This one does not leave yellow marks after pressing, and it's also affordable. A heat-resistant mat to place the tumblers after pressing. Heat-resistant gloves, scissors, and the printing. I will be using my free designs. If you would like to use these designs, I invite you to visit me on my blog where you can download them for free. In the description below, I will link all of the products, supplies, and designs used in this tutorial. I will start working with the design that I will press on the glass tumblers. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and by pressing the notification bell. I will be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you would like to try it, go to inkscape.org and download it. Once installed on your computer, open it and it will look like this. As I mentioned before, the images I will be using can be downloaded from my blog. Once downloaded on your computer, go back to Inkscape. Go to File, click on Document Properties, and you will see this window on the right. Here we are going to select the paper we're going to print. Click here if you wish to work on portrait or landscape. Go back to File, Import, look for the folder where you save the images, select them and open it. Here, click OK. This image is super big because it was saved in high resolution. Like this, you will obtain a very defined and clean printing. Select and up here, change it to inches. Close the lock and change the measurements to 4.5 by 4.5. This is for an 18-ounce glass tumbler. It is ready to be printed. Now I will go to File and I will import a few more images. This one is to sublimate a 13-ounce glass tumbler, the size of a soda or a beer can. Select and change the measurements to 3.75 by 3.87. There is 2 images. I'm going to insert 2 more. When the images are ready, let's go to File, click on Print. Here we're going to select the printer we're using. Click on Preferences, Letter Size. On Paper Type, select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On Quality, select High. Select Print Preview. Go to More Options. And here is very important to select Mirror Image, especially when we are printing text. Click OK and print. And this is how it's going to print. Make sure the design is inside the rectangle and that it is on mirror mode. If everything looks okay, click on print. I am using an EcoTank printer with Hippo Sublimation ink. Now I will show you how to set up the tumbler press temperature and time. To adjust the temperature, press on Set. I will press the tumblers at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, but to lower the temperature, press the down arrow. To increase the temperature, press the up arrow. When you reach the desired temperature, click on Set. Now let's adjust the time. I will press for 140 seconds. Press on Set. Now the machine is heating. In the meantime, I will start wrapping the glass tumblers. Both of them are ready wrapped and the machine is ready too. Since this press is long, I will press two at the same time. I will wear my heat resistant gloves because this gets very hot. I will press it for 140 seconds to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. If you wish to press a full wrap, we will need to press it twice. I will show you when we make the next sublimation. This one will be a full wrap sublimation. Now we're going to place them on the press, one on each side, and press it. They are a little loose. I will adjust the pressure using these two knobs. Also, if you wish, you may adjust the pressure before setting up the time and temperature. Let's see how they turn out. They are super hot. I really recommend you wearing heat-resistant gloves. And place them on a heat-resistant surface. Let's reveal the design. Beautiful. Now let's reveal the second one. I love them. Beautiful. You may sublimate all around if you wish. Now it's time to wrap the 18-ounce one. This one will be a full wrap. Since this one is a full wrap, will need to be pressed twice at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 70 seconds. And like I said before, we're going to press it twice. When it finished with the first timer, we will rotate the tumbler and press it again for another 70 seconds. Place it in the press. Remember to adjust the pressure using the two knobs. If you wish, you may adjust the pressure before setting up the time and temperature. Open it, rotate the glass tumbler and press again for 70 seconds. This is only when we are sublimating all around. When sublimating small designs, one time is enough. Sublimated all around. I love the colors. And here we have the frosted glass tumblers already sublimated. They turn out beautiful. All of this can be pressed using the PYD Life 2-in-1 tumbler heat press machine. With this tumbler press, you may customize tumblers and glass tumblers from 13 ounces to 30 ounces. Partial or full sublimation. And this one is an 18 ounces one. Also, with this tumbler press, you may customize stainless steel and ceramic mugs from 11 to 15 ounces. In the description below, find all the links of the products, supplies, and images used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to sublimate frosted glass tumblers. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.